Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making energy balls. Ingredients we need are 20 dates, half cup of almond and cashew nut, half cup of desiccated coconut for decoration, 2 teaspoons of black sesame seeds. First remove the seeds. Now grind it. Grind it to fine paste and keep it aside. Take a pan and dry roast the nuts. Then add the black sesame seeds. It has become ready. Now let's crush it. It has become ready. Now let's transfer it into a bowl. Mix all these. Add little by little and mix it well. Add some desiccated coconut. Make it into small balls. Make all of them into ball. Coat it with some desiccated coconut. Now our sweet energy balls are ready. So everybody should try this. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum.